Robotics is transforming industries, especially healthcare, at an unprecedented pace. From precision-controlled movement to assisted procedures, intelligent robotic systems are redefining what engineering can achieve. And inside the robotics lab on our campus, our students are building that future. As part of a core tech initiative, our B.Tech students set out to design a humanoid robotic arm. But before building began, they started with something fundamental: understanding the human arm, how it moves, how joints coordinate, how precision is controlled. Students analyzed an existing robotic arm, then replicated and re-engineered it, breaking down every mechanical structure, electrical configuration, and control logic. This is applied engineering. This is using tech for humanity's benefit. Because real learning doesn't stay on paper, it lives on in the real world. And at BML Munjal University, we call this the joy of engineering.